we've learned a lot of things. We are given the objectives of the workshop, and then we've been taken through what Jeff is currently doing. Jeff aids the areas that we can hook onto and then assess some funds. And then we just finished a session on stakeholder mapping and doing some role playing. It's been very exciting, very informative, and we've learned a lot from this session today.
Most thing that stood out today is the engagement of stakeholders in terms of the implementation of the ETF, of which in most cases, stakeholders are not, coming forth into participating in the party.
The group working, the breakout groups was very interesting. It was a good platform for sharing the experience and learn from each other and sharing informations. And in my view, this is the most interesting workshop that I ever had. And happy to be here and happy to be engaged in this workshop.